My name is Isabel Millie, but you can call me Millie.
Hi, my name is Jill, and we are going to take you on an adventure. We live in a small town in Georgia.
We want to learn about electronics,
Show you how to build and use your projects.
starting with basic components and how they work together.
Welcome to episode 1.
And today we're going to teach you how to make a touch-activated torch.
We are going to use a 9-volt battery,
A transistor.
and an LED. Stop pinching me. This is a breadboard. Each line is connected to each other and divided in the middle. First, we're going to connect the transistor. There's 3 pins on the transistor.
Emitter, base, and collector. Next, we're going to put on the LED.
An LED is a light-emitting diode. Semiconductor light source is a diode, which means electrons only can move in one direction. That's why they have to be correct. Electrons flow from negative to positive. The longer lead is the positive, and the shorter lead is the negative.
We're going to connect
The negative to the collector. Next thing we're going to connect are the touch cables. I connect one wire to the middle of the transistor, called the base. Once we touch the 2 wires with our finger, it conducts a small amount of electricity to the base, which starts the flow of more electrons from the emitter to the collector. Now we're going to connect the battery. The negative is the minus sign, and the positive is the plus sign.
The red wire is the positive. The black wire is the negative. We're going to connect the black wire or the negative to the emitter.
Now we're going to show you how to conduct electricity through our fingers. Don't touch the 2 wires directly, or you can burn out the transistor.
Buzz.
How much? And we're going to duct tape our project to a stick. Fingers, I'm about to tape.
You tape my fingers. Here, I'll help you.
I'm so bad at tape. We're going to put tin foil at the top as a reflector. We're going to extend the wires so we can turn it on at the bottom. There.
Have you heard the story about the spooky house?
No. Let's go now and check it out.
Okay.